A good slash excellent trade is a trade that you plant in advance. Plant in advance, that means that you've been in those situations, you know what to look for, patiently wait. That's what happened with me and FedEx. So how can you prepare to something that you don't know yet what to do is reading the information. And the information started with the pre-market. As you can see, that was the level of the pre-market. Here. Another thing that I knew in FedEx is that there are 74% institutional and a little bit more than 1% short. I have a playbook for trades with a gap down like this with a lot of institutional that a lot of time it's a good opportunity for them to buy it because it's cheaper. So I kept it also in my back of the mind. Now, let me go with you through my process while I was, watching the stocks because I was waiting. I was waiting. I was waiting for something that I didn't participate, for example, in the shorts around here. It's not really was my style, but what I noticed immediately with the big volume is that we actually started to build in a low here. I didn't see capitulation, so I was starting to wait. So, and I start to look and see what's the movement of the stock while it started to, let me zoom a little bit. So that was the low here on 155, something like this. I moved to like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and I was actually reading the tape around here. And then we actually broke the view up, went a little bit down, but immediately you saw the buyers again. This is kind of, balance between buyers, sellers. Again, we actually start to see that, and that's what I was watching, this kind of a low. And it actually, if you go into 2 minutes or even the five, it started to be higher low. Sorry. So what I did is it was around here. Actually, you can see that this bottom around here was tested like 1, 2, 3. This is where I started to build a position. I want to introduce my one-on-one mentoring. It's a program we're doing live. We are working to improve our trading skills, building a trading plan, risk management, all the technical details, live trading between session and session going over, and all in order to cause you to be a better trader than you are. Really. Build a position and my stop was around here. Now, I posted here on Friday and I called it trade with edge. Why? Because I knew the potential here. I knew the institutional. I didn't know what's going to happen, but I started to saw the footprints. So I started to buy here. And I was not thinking about partial. What I was thinking is, where is the next resistance? Around here and around the 160 around here. 158, sorry, 159 and the 160 that was somewhere around here, I think. And what I did is, after entering around here, is adding and adding, and if you will see that in the 5 minutes, you actually can see how beautiful the trade was developing with beautiful trend line. Really. And around here, you remember the 159 here? See what happened? The biggest volume, so they came. And it went up, and boom. Most of my profit I throw around here because I actually broke a little bit the trim line. I raised my stop around here, and then, when I saw it coming around here, and I started seeing here what I was watching here, so boom, sold it. So, what I learned from this, you need to make research. And sometimes you don't know exactly what you're gonna do. You have kind of a theory, but when the time is right and you know it, that was the triple bottom whatever, and 74% institution gives you amazing trade.